Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to Fern Valley Honeybees, where on this channel we talk about beekeeping and a few other topics are coming. I'm going to make a really quick video here on how to clean your extractor. These stainless steel extractors are really nice. I got the variable speed one. Plug it in. You start your honey. Turn the button. And it'll slowly start spinning faster and faster. You crank it all the way up, you'll see the honey just come flying out. It's great. It drains down the sides. After a while, it gets so deep in there, you gotta drain some of it out because it kind of gets so thick in there it can't spin all the way. So you just drain some out into your bucket, and then just start it back up again. But anyways, this video is about cleaning this thing. I thought to myself, man, this is going to be really hard. This was so easy. There's something about honey that washes off. So simple. This whole thing comes apart. There's a metal rack inside that spins like a cage, and that's what your I'll show the video here. You can see this rack inside there. You can see it. See that thing just spins. Your frames sit right inside there. This thing is really nice. I recommend the electric one compared to the hand crank. That's a lot of hand cranking. After doing all them frames of honey, my arms would have been really tired. But pretty much you just take this motor comes off the top, you pull the basket out. I took it outside with the hose. I rinsed it out. It must be because of the stainless steel. I didn't think it'd come that easy. I thought for sure this was going to be a nightmare. It washed right out. We were ready with the soap and the bucket and the water and everything. It washed right out. So it's that simple. Take it outside, take your hose to it, wash it really good. The honey came right out. I mean, it literally took me 3 minutes to clean this thing, and it was coated with honey on the inside. Of course, we let it all drain down to make sure we got every drop of honey out of here. But of course, the sides of it were sticky. It washed. So simple, I couldn't believe it. The rack was the same way. You just kind of rinsed it off. That you had to take a rag and go up and down all the pieces of metal to get all the pieces off it. But it cleaned so simple. Put it back together. I'm going to cover it up. Put the lid back on it. It's going to just stay until next fall, until next August. I'm going to put a bag or something over a cover, keep it nice and clean, keep this motor clean. But like I said, cleaning your stainless steel extractor, simple. Take it outside, take the hose to it, washes right out. I couldn't believe it. That's not what I expected. So I figured I'd do a really quick video and show you guys how to clean this thing. You'll be surprised how easy it is. So anyways, that's it. Hopefully you like this video. Hopefully you learned something, because I sure did when I cleaned this. Please subscribe to the channel. There's a little button next to the subscribe. There's a little bell next to the subscribe button. Hit that little bell. You'll get a notification every time I make a video. Give me a thumbs up. They're always appreciated. Any questions, comments, I'll answer whatever I can. So anyways, until next time, YouTube, we'll talk to you. Bye.